NSDataDetector is a subclass of NS regular expression that allows developers to extract meaningful data from strings. It can detect dates, phone numbers, addresses, links, flight information, and more. Let's see how this works. Here we have a string with a lot of data in it. There are 2 dates, an address, a phone number, a flight number, and a link. We start by specifying the types of data we're looking for using the NS text checking type option set. For each type specified, there's an added performance cost, so we only want to include the types we're actually interested in extracting. Then we create the data detector with the types we just specified and call enumerate matches in string on the data detector. The enumeration block gives us each of the matches in the form of an NS text checking result, which has properties for the range of the match and the result type. To get the match itself, we use the range to create a substring with the detected data. However, to be able to work with the data, we'll want to get it into a standard format, and we can get all of the individual data components we need from the match object, which is of type NS text checking result. The documentation for NS text checking result provides details on all of the information you can get, but here are a couple of examples of how to further inspect the data. For detected dates, we want to convert the date string, which could be in a variety of formats, into an NSDate object. To do this, we just need to check if the result type is a date, and then we can use the date property of the NS text checking result object. For detected addresses, there are a number of components we might want to work with individually. To get those, we follow a similar process, first checking if the result type is an address, and then using the address components property of the NS text checking result, which is a dictionary. A full list of keys is in the documentation, but this code shows how we would print the street number and name and the zip code of any address found in our input string. Here is the output we get from running the code. It's easy to see how this information could be used to create calendar events and address book contacts, allow a user to call someone, check flight information, open a link in a web view, and much more. So that's how you can use NSDataDetector to extract useful information from text and convert it into structured data.